And this is how me, my husband, and 3 sons built a community space in our town. It's not as difficult as one might think. It just takes a little ingenuity, a little know-how, a little funding, and a lot of hard work.
So I'm going to give you a super quick walkthrough. This is the main space. As you can see, it's a lot of water damage to the property. And this is where the dance room is going to be. We have 2 bathrooms. Ladies and men. There's a kitchen that we're getting rid of. Don't need it there. And then the serving area, which we also don't need here technically. So getting rid of it might be what happens. A beautiful light fixture. Might keep that though. We'll see how it goes. So again, this is the space. And here is the bar. So this is a bar. And again, as you can see, there's a lot of water damage to the space. And yeah. So a lot of work to be done. More demo tomorrow. And yeah, just a lot of work. A lot of doors. So this is one area, and this is another. And then there's another door that leads to apartments upstairs. We're on the 2nd floor. Man, the work that I have to do in here is crazy. It's just a good job. More left to pick up. Sheesh. And we are still working on the property. Thanks to my girl, we got a lot more done. It's pretty awesome. And now it's time to go to work in here. Yes, what you see is correct. I gotta pick all this up. All of this slab. Gotta pick it up. All right, off to work. We got it down to the bare walls, to the core of the building. And now all that's left is just a little cleanup. I'd like to give a special shout out to Melissa, Miss Del Rio, for helping me today. She comes most days to give a hand, and it's looking pretty good. So, very excited to get done. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. I feel confident that we can wrap this up when I predict we can, which is the end of October. It looks like there's still a lot of work to do, but believe it or not, we got through majority of it. This place was like really bad. So this week we're gonna wrap up the cleanup, and then we're gonna get started on actually building it back up. Here's the kitchen. Was the kitchen. There was the bathroom. And yeah, so a lot more to do, and we're gonna do it. I feel confident and happy. Have a good one, guys.